Hello and welcome, I'm your Code Monkey. I've been working on more tools to help you make games better and faster. Here's a simple one to help you drag any kind of UI window you have in your game, or a simple loading system where you can load different scenes with a nice loading bar. If you want to make your games playable with a gamepad, you can use a virtual cursor, so you have buttons that work normally and also work with a nice gamepad cursor. Or do all kinds of fun things with the OpenAI API, things like asking it to analyze an image, or having it generate an image directly from inside your game. These are a bunch of tools that I'm adding as a free update to my Toolkit asset. The asset store is currently running their spring sale, and my own Toolkit is also part of the sale at 50% off. In case you don't know, this is my asset that is meant to help you make games better and faster. It's a collection of a ton of tools and elements, where most of them are really just drag and drop. So it's the kind of thing that really helps speed up the development process on any kind of final game or even a prototype. For example, if you want to trigger an action after some time, you've got the function timer. One single line of code, you start a timer and then run some kind of logic. Honestly, this one over here, this is probably the most useful class I've ever built. I made this one over 10 years ago and I've used it in so many projects. Or what about asking the player some kind of question? Literally just one line of code, you can ask anything, then you can get some kind of answer. If you want to give the player some extra information, then the tooltip is super awesome. This is really great in all kinds of games, like for example management games. Or do you want to catch some errors and show them to your players? If so, the error detector is really awesome. Literally just drag and drop the prefab, spawn an error, and there you go, your players will know when something went wrong. So the toolkit is filled with a mountain of super useful tools and systems. A lot of these are actually things that I've covered in free tutorials over here on the channel previously. For example, the grid system, I made this tutorial video many years ago. I actually made this grid system across multiple videos on the channel. And then I basically polished all that up and made a proper tool that you can use in all kinds of scenarios. It is super easy to use, all the code is really nice. So you can very easily use it with just a handful of lines of code. Pretty much all the tools have a link to a tutorial video where I explain how exactly that was built step by step. And then importantly, they also have a walkthrough video. This is a super quick video where I just show you how to use the tool, how to get started using it. Even though for the most part, like I said, most tools are really just drag and drop and that's it. There's also the health system, which is super useful in many different scenarios. There's the draw pixels, which is super awesome if you want to add some kind of mod into your games. There's the look at camera, which is an insanely simple but insanely useful component that I've used, again, in pretty much every game that I've made. The chat bubble is a really fun one. The character controllers, these help you get set up much more quickly. Got a nice keyboard system, then an FPS count and all kinds of things. And like I said, I just updated it with a bunch more tools. So if there are almost 50 tools available right now. I actually did want to go beyond 50, but the spring sale started today and I couldn't quite get them done right on time. So I'll basically be finishing those and adding a bunch more tools and updates over the course of this week. Like I said, the toolkit is on sale right now as part of the spring sale. You can get it 50% off, so check it out with the link in the description. And beyond that, the spring sale also has a ton of stuff, so if you need all kinds of things, you can get them. They even have flash deals which are up to 95% off. For example, Colorize AG, this is a great tool for helping you get a ton of variation from your meshes. You've got some nice realistic water effects at 95% off, literally just $2. Tomorrow you've got some really awesome stylized explosions. I really love how these look. Then you've got a binding system which can be really useful for game designers. You've got Quibbly, this is a really awesome anime cell shader. It's what I use in my own game, Ding Guardians. I really love how this one looks, and this one's going to be on a flash deal in one day. And of course, the usual top assets are also on discount. Feel is really awesome, it's an asset I've recommended many times, so if you don't have it, I highly recommend it. Odin Inspector is another really awesome one. It is one of the top assets on the store, so yep, 50% off. If you have Text Animator, this is another one that I highly recommend. This one is absolutely awesome. Super easy way to add a ton of polish and make your game feel much more professional. You've got the asset inventory. This is one of the most useful assets I've ever seen. And if you own previous versions, you can get this one for like 90% off. Umotion Pro, this is my favorite tool for editing humanoid animations directly inside Unity. And of course, you've got all kinds of Cinti packs that are also on discount. So yep, check out the entire spring sale with the link in the description. And of course, check out my own toolkit. I really hope this helps you a lot in making games better and faster.